Well, it's been a minute, so I thought I'd come back with a much requested skincare routine, tutorial, whatever you want to call it. So here we go. I've taken my makeup off the same way since I was a kid. Abilene. It's petroleum jelly and some mineral oil. Their whole thing is that the moisture stays in. I feel like you'll notice with my eyelashes aren't gonna go completely flat. Really good on your skin and it's not harsh. You pay $10 or something like that for this whole jar and it like lasts you months. Feels so good. Never like stings your face or anything like that. So, just to show, this is my cotton pad. Next, I take a towel with hot water and I start steaming my face. Using harsh exfoliants more than like 2 or 3 times a week actually hurts your skin. So on the occasions I wear makeup or I feel like I need a deep cleanse, I use the SHISEIDO Purifying Cleanser. It's super gentle, really foamy, you only need a little bit so I don't go through it very quickly. So I use like a pea size with a little bit of water. I follow up with my daily cleanser. I use the Biore charcoal cleanser. It like really worked for me. I don't use a lot of it, like a little more than I do of the other cleanser. Mix it with a little water. And it has a nice like cooling sensation, which I feel like helps with kind of like anti-inflammatory and just redness. Charcoal naturally purifies your skin, cuts the grease and the oil of your face in a very natural and non-stripping way. So I followed up with cold water to close the pores. The charcoal cleanser like really opens my pores. Now I do a toner. I have been doing like a 3-step, as in a face wash, toner, and moisturizer skincare routine since like I was really young, just trying to be proactive. I have found that throughout all the toners I've tried, whether it be like Clinique to really expensive brands, my favorite will always be Thayer's Witch Hazel, so it never dries out my face. Which my face, it's like normal to dry. I kind of have more dry issues than I would say I have oil issues. I get the lavender scent. I used to just get the original and it was fine, but I just love lavender thing. Easy, after you use toner, you can see like the stuff that it still took off your face. This is proof why everyone should use a toner after you wash your face. There's still stuff in your pores, guaranteed, no matter what face wash you're using. And on days that I really want to treat myself, I use this Drunk Elephant Facial Lysant. It's an AHA, BHA, chickpea formula, and it's kind of like an at-home facial that you can give yourself. A tip that I learned was always when doing your neck, to go upward instead of pulling down. Pulling down promotes like the sagging.
20 minutes later.
Now I take it off with some warm water. Follow up with all my serums. For starters, as recommended with the Drunk Elephant Lysant, is the Virgin Marula oil. It literally makes my skin feel like silicone. It's my most favorite feeling in the world. Then I have this Biossance Squalane Lactic Acid. It's like a resurfacing night serum. If you couldn't tell, I'm a big fan of Biossance because I follow that up with their vitamin C squalane oil. Biossance is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly, plant-derived. They're a great company for natural skincare products. And if you want to make sure that, you know, you're supporting a healthy, sustainable brand. So then I follow this up with my favorite thing, and it's the Fulvic Elixir by Glymed Plus. I have to shout out my esthetician for showing me this product. She's amazing, and you can follow her Instagram for discounts and regimens for all types of skin. It has changed my skincare routine. I feel like it really hydrates and helps with kind of like fine lines around my eyes. I add this Glycolic Night Serum by Drunk Elephant. Getting close to the end, the Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream. And I just like really get the areas that I care about for wrinkles. And where I smile, my forehead, my neck. I feel like the best approach for skincare is just to be like proactive. It's a lot easier than getting to a point where you don't know what products will help you get what you want. So from day one, I've just tried to do a good job taking care of my skin. Next, I use the B-Hydra Drunk Elephant. It's kind of just like an extra hydration, and I mix that with the Drunk Elephant Moisturizer. You can see my face is already turning a little red from the retinol. That means it's working. There's no real sting with that retinol. The Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream really kind of feels cooling. Now your skin is glowing. It's a great feeling.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Close this process on up with the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Eye Cream. I'll just do it on one eye so you can see the difference on like how it actually like really does brighten your eye, like the underbag. About as frequently as I can, I try to do the gua sha technique on my skin. I totally notice a difference with general inflammation. Also, it helps contour and like give definition. Traditional use is that it flushes the lymph nodes in your face, which have no like actual flush or switch. So this tool is a great way to start. There are a lot of techniques on YouTube on how to do it, and I am not a professional, so I don't feel like I really want to go into the technique, but I'm still just gonna just show what I do. I always clean my stone with alcohol before to make sure there's no bacteria on it. You can use any kind of face oil in order to do this process. I use the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Sorry, there's a little fruit fly. It's really nice because I feel like the retinol actually works in the morning. My face like actually feels really tight and sculpted. It's good for this technique because it's hard to actually get into your skin. You want something that's like not gonna just glide and absorb. You want something that's gonna let you play with your skin. I like to do this to Mumford & Sons. Make this my me time.
One eternity later.
There's a lot of like neck and cheek to have a strong kind of jawline. Wow, if you can see the difference. I mean, like especially on this side, it honestly really makes an immediate difference. So if you think of repeated use, what it can do to your skin's natural state to just kind of like have it always sitting like this, it's really good. They have ones for the fine lines around your lips, but also to help with like the shape. So I love that mask because I feel like everything is kind of literally just locked in now, and I'll sleep and my face will feel great in the morning. So you can see the results of the gua sha. You can see immediately kind of like the depuffing around my eyes and my nose, how that slimmed. You can see the contour of my cheek a lot more on both sides, the definition of my jaw. I always feel like it makes a difference with the lips too when I do that like kind of like shadow to help make a nice pout. I totally notice a difference with the wrinkles on my forehead after doing this. This is my final skin after everything, ready to go to bed. All of this isn't what I do on a daily or nightly basis, I should say, but that is like the full routine that I probably do at least once a week. All of my products I would rate like a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10. There's nothing that significantly annoys me or irritates my skin about any of these products. A huge acne hack is the essential oil uncover, and you just do like literally a dot of it and you spot it on your big pimples, and it's better than like the Marula drying lotion. And the way to get the best results is obviously with repeated use. So continue to remind yourself to take care of your skin and yourself, and make sure that you give yourself that time of day every morning and every night. Well, thank you for following along. I genuinely believe in all these products. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I am not sponsored by any of these brands. I will definitely constantly update my skincare routine as I use new products. If you want more videos like this, what I want to send everyone home with is that beauty really starts within. So you can't be beautiful on the outside until you start taking care of your insides. You are a reflection of the love that you give out. So once you've had a good day of respecting and loving and showing that love to the people around you, make sure to give yourself that time back at the end of the day. Reward yourself, love yourself. Well, I appreciate you following along. Share this video with your friends and let me know what products you get and love and what you'd like to see next from me.